Hello everyone, this is Ashwin Pratap Singh. Welcome back to our channel Code Caddy. So in this video, we are going to see how we have implemented this nice avatar library in our React Native project. Okay, so here if I'll demonstrate the things, then there are different way of passing the props. So this looks like this. So we can use the same things in our React Native project. So this is the library I'm using, React Native Avatar. Okay, and the way I'm installing it, so that is yarn at React Native Avatar, a nice avatar. And then if I want to go with npm, then that is also valid. Okay, and after installing this, make sure to run this React Native run and red command, and then you have to import the library in your file. Okay, and to generate different avatar, you can use this gen config method. So let's see how we are doing this. And if I show you demonstration, then if I click on this again and again, then different avatar is coming up. Okay, so if I'll open this file here, you can see I'm having this import of nice avatar library. Okay, so this is the thing I'm looking for, and this gen config method is going to create different avatar for us. And if I'm not using this one, that is also okay, but if you want to store it somewhere, then it's good to have. Okay, so this is a place, this generate avatar, and that is under this button click. Okay, and here I'm having some configuration that if I'm selecting some gender, okay, that is male, then that is man, otherwise it is women. Okay, and face color we can also configure. So let's say red is the face color, and if I'll click on generate, then that will always be red. So this is the configuration, and different configuration will be there. And this is the library I'm using. And if I want to change the size, then this size, let's pass this 200, then it will be get bigger. And there are different props you can see here. Let's say if I'll select for hairstyle, okay, and there are different way. So I'll select for thick. Okay, so if I click on this and click on this regenerate button, then it will be look like this. Okay, and if I'll select for something different thing, like select for glasses. Okay, and here you can see I'm having this square shape, and here you can see I'm having this glasses always be there because I've hard coded it. Okay, and if I'm not using this hard code thing, then that is also going to work, because this will generate always me a random avatar. Okay, and if I want to hard code something here, then that is also applicable to here. So this is glass style, and if I'll select here, then it's square, then this will also work. So if I click here, then yeah, it's working. So yeah, that's all about today's video. If you learn something from this, then please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.